I will make this quick short video about vintage GE gearboxes. There's the fan model number so y'all can see. So this fan, there's a main gear that sits right here, and there's a big like brass screw holding it in. But to remove it, there's actually a hidden set screw in this hole that you gotta unscrew first. And just so I can show y'all, this is what the plate will look like. You'll see two washers attached with it. That's what the screw head looks like on the side of your fan. This is the set screw. And this is the GE gearbox, and this is the GE gear. It's all cruddy, but when you're removing it, you want to push it forward, lift up, and pull back.